Hey everyone, welcome to Botland Recap video number 32. There's some cool new things that I want to show you from the last month. Let's start with the out-of-game changes. There is now a settings dialog, which just has audio levels for now. There still isn't music in the game yet, but you can use this to change the master volume, the UI volume, or the game volumes independently, and those will get saved locally. This UI itself is still a work in progress, so there will be some polish work done there. When we get to the store page, we can see that area repair is in red, and selecting it shows that we need to unlock repair first. That's because I finally implemented hardware requirements. It's a very shallow tech tree. For now, you just need the base item in order to get any of the special items. For example, to unlock any of the 3 special kinds of lasers, you just need to get regular lasers, which you actually start with, so these are available to you right from the beginning. There's also a chips tab in the store. Previously, it was just assumed that every player owned every chip. Now you need to actually purchase the chips before you can use them in your defense. You can also see any chips you've already unlocked, which show in red for now. That will probably change in the future. On the topic of chips, placing them is now identical to how you'd place bots. You could always drag chips into the arena, but now you see this preview image showing you when it's valid to place them. That same thing shows up when you drag them between sockets. If you're placing many chips, you may prefer to select the chip in the left side and then simply paint it into the arena, just like you can with bots, and it'll replace any existing chips of a different type. I just added chips to my defense, and now I want to test it before saving it. Previously, it would immediately start running a game when I clicked this test button with a set of bots that I didn't get to customize. Now you have a bunch of presets down at the bottom. You can examine any of these. You can drag any of these bots around. Maybe I want to test them closer to my chips at first. Or if you prefer, you could just place any attack blueprints you've already customized. And note that as I do this, you can see that the primary and secondary colors have been swapped. So I have blue and green defense bots, but I have green and blue attack bots. Also, all of the bot graphics that you see on screen right now are new. This is the junk bot, this is the bear bot, rocket, vacuum, and water. And don't forget that you can customize them however you want. I have the bear head here with the rocket torso and the vacuum foot. As I start testing, one of the things you might notice is the graphics are finally being positioned correctly. The zapper and reflect graphic encompass the bot instead of being offset. That had been a bug for the last 4 months, and it took quite a lot of work to fix. So we're done testing. I'm going to save this defense. The last area that I want to show you is attacking. When you choose attack, you can now see your mission progress. Missions can only be completed when winning as an attacker, so it makes sense to remind you of your missions here. There's this choice at the bottom, though, that's new, between attacking another player and attacking your own defense. Attacking your own defense is different from testing your own defense in 2 ways. One is that you can play out all 3 phases of a match. This will let you test exactly how other players would attack you. Maybe in phase 1 you want to destroy chips, then in phase 2 you want to use fiery weapons on bots, and then in phase 3 you want to clean up. You'd be able to do that just like if you were attacking another player. The other thing is that you can create and modify attack blueprints here, which you couldn't do while you're testing your defense. Any changes you make to these will be saved when you attack someone else in the future. This mode is really helpful for trying out new strategies that you're not sure are going to work without having the pressure of playing ranked matches. Also, just like when you attack someone else, you can replay the phase to see exactly what happened. I could speed this up, I could slow it down. That's it for this recap video. I really hope you liked seeing these changes. There are only a few more features remaining for beta. Then I can start polishing everything and adding new content. I'm still aiming to release the beta in late August. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time.